Do you love math? I love math. I found this book, I'm Trying to Love Math, and I thought, who has to try? But this is I'm Trying to Love Math. I'm not going to read the whole thing because it is just filled with stuff, but I will read part of it to you. I Am Trying to Love Math by Bethany Barton. She wrote I'm Trying to Love Spiders. Now, I would have to try to love spiders. I can appreciate spiders. I really can, as long as they're not too close. Out of this world math facts. Mathematics, in a sense, is logic let loose in the field of the imagination. See, I like that woman. Her name is Margaret Wertheim. Wertheim? She's a smart lady because she likes math. I can tell. I'm trying to love math. If you ask me, math is not very lovable. I can't believe that. I know I'm not alone here either. 4 in 10 Americans hate math. Wow. 4 in 10 hate math? Yeah, that's like 40%. Did you just use math to explain how much you don't like it? 4 in 10 hate math. 6 out of 10 don't hate math. I wonder if that means that 6 out of 10 love math. I'm kind of thinking maybe not, but I love math. Let's see. A space alien? What do you know about math? Well, math is understood all over the earth, no matter what language people speak. Except you're not from Earth. Nope. But thankfully, scientists sent math out to space. I wonder what happened out there. Scientists took examples of life on Earth, things like language, music, and math, and put them onto golden records. Woohoo! The golden records went on space probes. They sent into deep space for curious aliens like me to find. So this alien must have found some of those golden records. They sent you math. No wonder aliens don't come visit. They should have sent you cookies. Chocolate cookies. What are cookies? I'll make you some. They're so much better than math. Let's see. Look at this. This is a recipe. Looks like I need 2 of these to equal a cup. Each one of these sticks of butter is a half a cup. Wait! Baking is just a bunch of math, isn't it? Whoa. In fact, this whole recipe is basically a word problem. A lot of people don't like word problems. I kind of do. I didn't used to like them. And there are many that I don't like. But there are a lot of great word problems. But isn't that a good thing? Without those measurements and fractions, what would you end up with? A burnt plate of mush. I guess you have a point. See, we need recipes. What kind of cookies would we make if we didn't know how to use math? Okay, you see this math problem here? I'm going to try to love it. Maybe if I stare at it and think about cookies. I would not have to think about cookies to love math. But hey, you know, it might help. Nope, I'm already bored. What if I jazz it up with some extra numbers? And add some of these symbols. Wow, that looks really exciting. Whoops. Oh, you got a little carried away. This is way too much math. Can we shake the book and make some numbers fall out? That is a lot of math. I think I would have to just like, you know, study it for like an hour. I don't think I'll do that. Just hold it tight and give it a few shakes. Woo, thanks. Math is just so boring. It's not like you can dance to it. Well, actually, you can. Music has beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's me. I better read the book. Oh, it says the same thing I said. Music has a lot of math in it. See? This talks about the value, and these are each quarter notes. They get 1 beat. A whole note gets 4 beats if it's in this 4/4 time. Wow. Wow. This guy, an ancient Greek smart dude, I think they call him that because that name looks really hard to pronounce. Pythagoras. Pythagoras? Pythagoras. I like math better than language. Oh, in fact, it was a mathematician who discovered that different lengths of string produce different musical sounds. Oh, well, there. Because of his math, you're able to make the guitars you have today. Well, thanks for ruining music for me. Now all I hear are numbers. I think you're missing the point. Math isn't all about numbers. Arithmetic is another word for math with numbers, is super helpful, but it's only one part of math. Math is also about exploring, about finding new ways to get places and helping you find your way back. For centuries, sailors navigated using the stars, special measuring tools, and lots of math. Ooh, look, here are some gadgets. See those gadgets? I'd call those doohadjamajiggers. They call them chronometers and sextants. I think I like doohadjamajigger. Modern explorers calculate how much force and fuel is needed to get a rocket past your atmosphere and out into space. That was the alien talking. Take that, gravity. Speaking of exploring, you've barely checked out Earth. We have lots of beautiful things to see. Oh my, here are some more math terms. Symmetry, where two or more parts match each other. So see, we could slice it in half and this side would be the same as that side. Math is here in nature too. Math is about finding shapes and patterns. So if you're an artist, you probably like math. You just didn't know it. Let's see. Oh, speaking of exploring, you've barely checked out Earth. We have lots of beautiful things to see. Oh, no, you don't. You're making it all about math again. But it's my turn to teach you something. Okay. Well, introducing Earth's greatest invention. Do you know what Earth's greatest invention is? They think it's pizza. Pizza is pretty good. That does look interesting. But how big is that thing? Oh, that's easy. It's wait. How do you measure this thing? I know. And the answer is as easy as pi. Pi represents a number. It's a super long number, so you usually shorten it to 3.14. This is pi. They're not talking about this kind of pie. Although this kind of pie looks kind of yummy, doesn't it? Does it look yummy to you? It looks yummy to me. It's a sort of cheat code to figure out the size of a circle. Pi, which is 3.14, blah, 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 blah. Pi d. Pi is also what's called an irrational number, which means that it goes on and on forever and never repeats, like this. Look at that. I've never memorized that. Some people do. I just say 3.14. I don't think I can even remember 1/5. I wonder if I could expand my mind and start to call pi 3.1415. I don't know. I could try. Oh, well, look at this. Pi goes on and on and on and on and on and on. Well, that was unexpected. I never thought I'd say this, but this is too much pie for me. That's an easy fix. Let's just grab the book and shake all the pie off this page. They like to shake this book, don't they? Shh. I think you need to get this book because it's a lot of fun. Am I having too much fun? I wonder if you can calculate how much fun I'm having. Woo, that's better. I'll admit, some of this math stuff is cool. I'm okay. But math can still be pretty frustrating. Like how there's only one right answer. That's true. I kind of like that there's only one right answer because then you know it's true. But it's also what makes math so helpful. There you go. Math gives us a set of rules everyone can agree on. Wow, something everyone can agree on. So we know how far to travel to get places, how fast we're moving on our way, and how much things cost when we get there. Well, that's a good idea. It's great for travel. Well, I'm ready to test that out. Oh, look. They're going to go traveling and they're going to buy some food. Oh, you know, math is a part of so many things I already love. I guess I don't need to try to love it at all. It turns out I already do. I'm glad that he realized that. Great! You love math. My work here is done. Time to head home. Thanks for your help. Where did you say you are from anyway? Planet Homework. Uh-oh. I wonder if they wrote a book called I'm Trying to Love Homework. Bethany Barton, if you didn't write that book, I think you should. I hope you enjoyed that. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.